if plus means division, division means multiplication, multiplication means minus, and minus means plus, then what is the value of 5 into 10 minus 15 divided by 20 plus 25 divided by 30? Okay. Now, first step over here is replace it with whatever it means. So, multiplication means minus. So, 5 minus 10, minus means plus. So, plus 15, divided means multiplication. So, multiplied by 20, plus means division. So, divided by 25, division means multiplication. Multiplied by 30. Okay. Now, once you get this, we need to solve it by BODMAS. Okay. Remember, division and multiplication are of the same level. So you have to go from left to right if only those are there. Same thing applicable for addition and subtraction. We have to go from left to right. So first of all, let's identify we have division and multiplication here from this to this. So 5 minus 10 plus. So we have your 15 into 20, okay, divided by 25. So we can write it down like this and multiplied by 30. So we have here 5 5s are, 5 3s are, 5 4s are 20. So 3 4s are 12, 12 into 30. So 5 minus 10 plus 12 into 30, that is 360. So 5 minus 10 is minus 5 plus 360. We get the answer as 355. So that is our answer, option C. We are going to solve 5 questions. So 4 more of this same coding. Okay. So let's solve the next one. Now here we have brackets. Okay. So we need to solve those brackets first because we need to follow BODMAS. Okay. First of all, let's replace the mathematical signs with their meaning. So minus means plus. So the first bracket is 10 plus 5. Division means multiplication. So into 50. Multiplication is minus. So minus 25. Multiplication is minus again. So minus 5. Division is multiplication. So multiplied by 40. Okay. So 10 plus 5 is 15 multiplied by 50 minus 25 minus 5 is 20 multiplied by 40. So 20 multiplied by 40 and 15 multiplied by 50. They need to be done first. So 15 5s are 75 and another 0. So 750 minus 20 into 40 is 800. So 750 minus 800, we get the answer as minus 50. So answer is option A. Let's see the next question. Here also we have bracket. So we have to do it by BODMAS. First of all, let's replace the mathematical signs. So 10 minus means plus. So 10 plus 2. Multiplication means minus, minus 3. Division means multiplication. So multiplied by 4 minus. Minus means plus. Multiplication means minus. So minus 8. Multiplication means minus. In bracket we have 2. Minus means plus. So 2 plus 3. Division means multiplication. So into 2. So now let's simplify the brackets first. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9 multiplied by 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1 minus 2 plus 3 is 5 into 2. So we have 9 ones are 9 minus 5 twos are 10. So 9 minus 10, we have the answer as minus 1. So answer is option C. Let's do the next one now. What is the value of this equation? So we are going to solve it again by Bodmas. Let's replace the mathematical signs. So 44 minus means plus. So plus 11. Division means multiplication. So into 2. Multiplication is minus. So minus 6. Division is multiplication. So into 6. Plus means division. So divided by 2. And minus means plus. So this is our equation. We need to do the multiplication and division part first. So 11 twos are needs to be done first. 6 are divided by 2. This needs to be done first. So 44 plus 11 twos are is 22 minus 6 are 36 divided by 2. That gives us 18 plus 12. Okay. So 44 plus 22, that is 66 minus 18 plus 12. So 66 minus 18, that gives us 48 plus 12. We get the answer as 60. So that is option B. Let's see the next one now. Again, we have brackets. So we have to do it by Bodmas. Let's replace the signs first. So 13 minus means plus. So 13 plus 5. Multiplication means minus. So minus 8 plus 4. That means divided by 4. Okay. Multiplied by means minus. Here we have minus. In bracket 5 minus means plus. So plus 6. Plus means division. So divided by 12. Multiplication means minus. So minus 3. Division means multiplication. 4 plus means division divided by 2. Okay. So 13 plus 5 minus 8 divided by 4. So in this bracket, we need to solve this part first. So 13 plus 5 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. Minus. Now in this bracket, we need to do this part first. So 5 plus 6 divided by 12, that is 0.5 minus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 13 plus 5, that is 18. 18 minus 2 is 16 minus 5 plus 0.5, that is 5.5 minus 3, that is 2.5. Okay. 2.5 multiplied by 2. Okay. So we have 16 minus 2.5 into 2, that is 5. And therefore, we get the answer as 11. So answer is option E, 11. Okay. So that was the last question of this test set.